Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can turn off automatic head detection on your Apple Airpods Max. So right now it's on, which means that every time you're playing something, this is mimicking, it's on the box, mimicking actually wearing it. Every time you take them off, can you see it will pause the song or the video, and when you put them back on, it will start playing again. Also, if you were just to lift up one ear, it will pause the video. And the same goes for the other ear as well. Now, if you don't want any of that to happen, we can actually turn that off. All we have to do is go into the settings. This is an iPad, same thing will work for your phones as well. And we're going to go into AirPods Max. And we have an option down here, automatic head detection. Right now it's on, but we can turn that off, and it says automatically transfer the audio route from connected devices to AirPods Max when they are placed on your head. So now it doesn't make a difference if they're on the head or not, the video or the song will keep on playing. So watch this. If I play this now, you can see that even when we take it off, it's still playing. And even when we put it back on, it's playing. Take it off, it's still playing. Same way if we just take off one, either side, it will still play. You can still pause it and control it from your digital crown, but now when you take it off, it's not going to automatically stop. So there we go, that's how to do automatic head detection on your Apple AirPods Max. Thanks for watching.